it's Christine, and today I am talking about the Like app. I am obsessed with the Like app. It is awesome. It is one of the easiest ways to create really cool short video content on an app. If you don't have it already, I will put a link in the description so that you can click that and download it really easily and just start creating cool content like I do. And if you want to see my content, check out my profile. If you go onto Like and you find me, comment on my most recent to let me know you saw my YouTube video and that brought you to Like, and I will go check out your content as well. And your videos are going to be super amazing because we're going to go over a tutorial right now on how to make really cool videos. So here we go. First, what you want to do is open your Like app. So open the app. Then you're going to hit the little button at the bottom in the center that looks like a recorder button. You're going to hit that's going to record. So you can choose select music, or you can choose something you already have videoed on your phone saved in the photos, and you can do from album, but we're not going to do that. We're going to go ahead and just hit shoot first in the center there. Now, if you want to add a filter, hit that little smiley face with the glasses, and you can choose any one of these really cool filters. There's a lot of filters to choose from. I'm going to just go ahead though and choose my music magic. So that little button to the right with the music note on it, hit that. And you can choose any one of these, and they're kind of like a preset filter, like awesomeness. I'm not even sure how to explain it exactly, but we're going to choose peach. I'm going to keep the music that's there, but you just hit change music if you want to change the music. So if you can see what's going on right now, you see that it's already showing you what the effects look like. All I have to do is hold down on that big pink button and it'll record. If I want to go slower, I can hit the fast button. It will play the music slower, but it will record and play back in a much faster speed. Slow will play the music faster when I record, but plays back in slow motion. So if you want cool slow motion effects, use slow. Here, I'll show you. So we're going to start with normal, and we're going to record, 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 record. Now I'll go to fast, and then I'll go to slow. And you can watch that little yellow button go at the top. See how much faster that went? It's because it's going to play back in slow motion. And then if I want to choose a filter, I'll choose any filter here. It doesn't really matter. There. Ah, it's a kitty that gives kisses. Oh, look, little kisses come out when I open my mouth. Now, all you have to do is hit that little check mark in the top and you're good to go. But I'm going to go ahead and show you on this right here, this little sample on how to add additional effects if you want to. So you can go to Touch Magic and you can choose like bling or any one of the touch magics that you want. I'm going to choose the hearts because they're easier to see. Now there's a little purple bar at the bottom. If you go back and forth with that, it moves anywhere in your video that you want to go. I'm going to go back to the very beginning and I'm going to tap right on my face and put hearts. So you can see, I go back and play it. The little hearts are there. If I want them to move around the screen, I can just run my finger around the screen like that. Boop, doop, doop. And then I hit save in the top corner. You can choose any one of those touch magic effects or 2 or 3 and add them on top of each other. If you want to go to effect mix, this is really cool too. You can choose to do, say, a 2-way mirror. So there's 2 of me, ooh, or a different version of that, or I can make it like the little blur line. Where's my favorite one? My favorite one is scary TV. Ooh, look how scary that TV is. So I like it. Also, there's boom effects, and boom would be like magic stick or love bow. A love bow is already downloaded, so I'll use that. As you can see, you can just add that anywhere on there, and then you can aim it by moving the little target anywhere. And let's preview that. See? Kaboom! I got shot with a love bow. Then you hit save, and yeah, you can play around with those, explore, see what you like. There's missiles and AK-47s, all sorts of stuff that you can do, and the boom effects, all sorts of effects that you can do with the mix, and a ton of touch magic from, you know, anything from Merry Christmas to Mario Brother mushrooms to who knows what. So once you're done with all of that, you hit the little check mark in the top corner, and it will save, and you can play it back and watch it. You can change The filters, if you want to change your color, you can change your filters there. You choose a screenshot. This is really important. Unlike, you want to have a good screenshot. It's just like your YouTube thumbnail or anything else. It's the thing people want to click on. And in order to choose that, you click the little, it looks like a little book with a little bookmark right above the 3 colored dots. Choose that, and then you can scroll over and pick a part of your video that seems to be the most interesting. Maybe like that weird face I'm making with the cat ears. You can adjust your volume. If you have sound, like you were talking and then you add music, you can adjust that so the music is under the sound, or the sound goes away and the music comes up really loud. However you want to do that, that's going to be here in volume. And if you want to change the music, if you weren't doing the music magic, you could change it at this point. But right now you can't, because it's already been created based around this song. So the peach filter that I chose with the music magic, it matches the beats of the music and changes based on the music itself. That's why you can't edit it there. But if you had done it without doing music magic, you could totally edit the song there as well. And then you can add hashtags, and hashtags are really important to be seen. I'm currently running a contest that will go through probably the end of this week. So it's not going much longer, but it is for the Valentutting hashtag. So if people put hashtag Valentutting and hashtag Christine Barger, then I'm going to be choosing one winner to repost. But I do contests and things like that, so keep an eye out on my account if you want to get seen. I do enjoy shouting people out. I do a shout out Sunday type thing where I pick one super awesome fan, another liker that comments on my videos and stays really active, and I shout them out on Sundays. So a lot of us do stuff like that. It's a really fun community too. So let's go ahead and post this video. You would type in whatever you want there, music magic, hashtag Christine Barger if I want, whatever I want it to be. I can use emojis, whatever. If I want to share it to Facebook, I just click that. I don't want to share it to Facebook right now. If I want to save it to my phone, that's what that little green arrow is for. If I want to tag a friend, I can tag a friend. Maybe I want to tag like official. And then if I have that little pink check mark next to save as a private video, it's going to save as a private video. If I uncheck it, it saves it publicly. I'm going to save it as a private video for the moment because I want to go ahead and just show you what the saving process is like, but I didn't really put any time or effort into that video, so I'm not so sure I'll post it. One thing to note though, once you've saved your video privately, you can't edit it. So if you think, oh, I'll edit it later, you can't. You can only edit it in the time that you are posting it. You can save it to your phone and then re-upload it as a file that's already made and then edit it or change the hashtags. But know that once it's saved privately, if you make it public, that's it. You can just make it public. You can't edit anything. Okay, there it is. It's posted. It's posted because it's technically saved privately. So now let's move on to a slightly more difficult and even cooler effect technique that you can do on Like. That is 4D magic. So we're going to tap 4D magic. Now I need to put my phone someplace so that it won't move. So I'm going to just sit it right next to my iPad. I'm not at home today, so I'm just set up on a little table in a bedroom. It's not my normal setup, but I usually have my Archon mount, and that's really great because I can throw it in my purse and take it with me anywhere, and then just throw it up if I'm like at the movie theater, for example. I did one at the movie theater where I teleported in with my husband to watch a movie, and I just used my little Archon mount and set it up, so it's really nice. But you can just sit it on a table or against books or whatever. I'm going to hit create now, and I'm done. All right, as you can see, it says shoot the background. So now I'm going to hit shoot the background, which means that, oops, sorry about that. Got it, don't move your device. If you touch your device, that's what happens. All right, shoot the background. I have to move out of the frame. I have to move out of the frame. Am I out of the frame? Well, sort of. My tush was still in there, but that's okay. All right, and then I can just tap that once and it'll give me a countdown so I can get where I want to be. And I can make my little movie here. Boom! Hey! What? I have no idea what we're going to do for the effects, so I'm just going to move around. Maybe a little dancing here or there. Hey! One of the things that is really bad about my setup that I'm showing you right now is I did not stand where you could see my full body in the shot. So it looks a little weird if you don't have your full body in the shot. I recommend that you set it up in a way you can stand up completely. But just for the sake of this example, we're going to use this. So now, if I want to do, ooh, there's cool new stuff that I haven't even seen yet. I updated it and now there's new effects. This is like the third update in like 2 weeks. This is so cool. All right, so purple in and purple out look really neat. I'm going to download those just because I want to see them. But let's start with the background. So I'm going to click that little background button. I'm going to go all the way back to the beginning here. And I'm going to do love tree because I like love tree. So you can see I'm just holding my thumb down on the love tree and it changed my background completely. Now, if I want to change to a different background, maybe I do snowcat. There's snowcat. Hold it down for a little bit. And maybe bloom roses. Bloom roses is cool because it's animated too and little roses bloom. Cool. So now I have 3 different backgrounds. So I'm going to resize myself. So I hit the resize button at the bottom and then I hit the little resize button on the screen. I can like just do that thing that you do like to make yourself big, small. You can just squeeze, pinch, I guess. I'm going to make myself that size and put myself in the corner there because you're right there. You can just see right there. But because of the way that I'm sitting, I don't have any feet. So I don't want to like put myself up here because that looks strange. So put myself right there, looks good. Okay, and then I hit confirm. Now I'm going to do the same size through the whole video, but you can change and move it around. You can play with it and see how it works. But I'm going to press and hold use all the way through the video. So I'm just going to let that go and I'm going to hold it. The next thing I'm going to do is the 4D Magic, which was the thing that I'm downloading at the moment. And then Touch Magic is the thing that we just went over in the last part of this video, and I'm not going to go through all that again, but you can do those same touch magic effects here that you did before. So, okay, it's resized. I'm going to hit that check mark in the top corner. Oops, no, I'm not. I'm going to go back, sorry. Nope, I'm not. What did I do? I messed it up. Sorry, I got distracted. All right, I went all the way back out. That's not what I wanted to do. And I'm not going to edit this video because I'm out of town doing something today, which is why this is like, I don't know, this is at least attempt 4 at getting this video up. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and leave that little mistake in there. You can learn from my mistakes. All right, so I've got 2 different backgrounds. We're good. Check mark. Okay, so I'm going to hit resize. I'm going to resize myself. The resize, stretch, confirm, press to hold, and hold that down. When you're done with that, you don't need to hit the check mark. The check mark takes you to the next step. The back takes you back to the previous step. All you have to do is hit the Touch Magic or the 4D Magic. So I'm going to hit 4D Magic now, and we are going to do, actually, let's just do Portal Out. So we're going to do Portal Out at the beginning. Oh, we're at the end, so we're going to move that purple bar over here. So at the beginning of the cat part, right before that happens, I'm going to do Portal Out. So Portal Out, I'm going to fall out right before the cat, and then I'm going to purple in. Ooh, I purpled in, and haha, there's the cat. There's all sorts of cool 4D magic effects you can do. There's smoke in. There's ascension. I'm at the end of the video. Maybe I want to send in or out. So all sorts of cool stuff you can do. Now, when I'm done with it, this is when you're going to hit that check mark in the top corner. And again, you've got all the options to hashtag, and you want to choose your thumbnail, and you can adjust the color, and you can change the music. For the sake of this, I am not even going to save this. I'm just going to show you right now what it looks like. So we will watch it from the beginning right here. Ooh. Now, if you notice, there's a little bit of like funkiness between my fingers, which is a reflection of this. It's basically there's a shadow and the light changes. The background looks different. So this works the same way a green screen would work. So I would hit post if I wanted to hit the big pink button and post it, but I don't need to post it because you've now seen how it all works. You've seen how to make a mistake even and how simple it is to go back and fix it. And those are the two basic ways of creating videos on Like. There's a lot of other things you can do with it. You can get really crazy advanced and do like multiple locations and all sorts of stuff. Like I did one with my husband where I said we went to the movie theater. We teleported out of our living room and teleported into a movie theater, like an actual movie theater. We didn't do the background of the movie theater. We went to a movie theater and did it. And so that was really neat. There's all sorts of things you can do. I can't wait to see how creative you get. And I hope that you will go to my profile and comment on my most recent video and let me know you found this video on YouTube, that you've joined Like, and you've gotten really creative, and I want to see your creativity. All right, well, I will see you next week. Again, I apologize for all the craziness of me not getting this up and having to redo it like so many times and posting it with bad sound, and I apologize. I will be better. It will be better. And I want to thank everyone who's been helping watch my videos and support my channel. I'm getting very close to reaching the hours, and I have the follower count to keep my monetization and my partnership with YouTube. So I do appreciate that to all of you who are doing that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. To all of the cats out there watching right now because their owners have my videos on. You're awesome. Meow to you. And that's it. So have a blessed week. I will see you soon. Go and be a light in the world.